diamond inside. Let's try to get it.
To open the chest, we must say the magic password. Today's password is
不客气.
The voice controller selects slow. Let's say it slow.
不客气，不客气，不客气，不客气，不客气，不客气。Gulu, say the magic password, but it is still locked.
We must play the voice controller again to say the password in a different way.
Everyone, come help me. Say it with us.
Okay, let's try to say it fast.
不客气，不客气，不客气，不客气，不客气，不客气，不客气，不客气，不客气，不客气。We did it!
Thank you for helping. Your voice energy is amazing.
We did a great job. We got 4 diamonds.